after marriage I taken a break, and I work only housewife. Our eyelids grow up, so I decided to rejoin my career again. But when I go for the interview, that time I realized there is a huge gap between me and my lectures. Very very helpful to me because I read all the things in the books, but how to practically apply in our life, this training is teacher that's and I can improve I try to improve myself. After that, sir teaches about the self image, self worth, about myself. When I completed this training and today is the last day, so I want to say all these things to everyone that I am really, because everyone wants to make their career for the two things, for one for the passion and one for the earning. I made my career for my passion, who is arranging this training. Thank you a lot.
Yognamni Nalangadu. I am from Tirumala, Andhra Pradesh. I am pursuing PGDM final year. I have 8 months of working experience in HR recruitment. The Train the Trainee program is really helped me a lot to increasing my self-confidence and my capabilities too. And I know how to communicate with others. Not only these things, I learned many things from the Train the Trainee program. It's really impact on me a lot. Like I started believing myself and good decision maker and positive thinking and team player, good listener and multitasker too. Before I am joining the Train the Trainee program, I have a fear to talk in front of new people. Now I am come out of that. And another thing is when I am talking English, I really feel that much of comfortable. Now I feel very comfortable while I am talking in English also. Overall, this course is extremely existing and I strongly recommend to take it. It's really very interesting course, and thank you so much Shashikant sir and Murali Rao sir, Shivakumar sir, Chandana ma'am and all head health team. Really this kind of training will be help us a lot, and thank you so much sir.
Hello friends, myself Sumi Kodguru and I live in Chandrapur. First of all, I want to thank you for giving information about this T3 program. That's why I joined this sessions. From first session to till this session, I learned many things. First of all, communication is so important in our life because the way you speak with others confidently and in the right place and right way, it's so important. I am improving my communication day by day because of these sessions, and I am implementing all the things day by day and try to improve myself in every session. And last, I want to say something. Day by day, in every way, I am becoming more confident, more responsible, and day by day I am becoming more capable, and I will handle every hurdle and way. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone, I am Khushbu Chauhan. I am from Ratlam, Madhya Pradesh, and I am pursuing MBA in Rural Development. I am working in NGO in social sector. I have joined Train the Training program and I have learned many new things. It helped me to boost my morale and build my self-confidence. It helped me to get out of my comfort zone. Previously, I have a fear of speaking in English with everyone, but after joining this training program, the fear has gone away and I have started believing in myself. Before joining this training, I thought that it may be like lecture sessions, but after joining this training program, I enjoyed a lot and we got to do many activities in the training sessions. It's interactive sessions and I enjoyed a lot. And not only this, I have learned many new things like how to be a good communicator, how to be a good facilitator, how to work in team. So in last, I want to thank Shashikant sir, Murali Rao sir and Shiv Kumar sir and all the organizers of transformation program to help me improve myself. I think the most useful part of our training is our assignments. Like we got to learn by doing many activities like mirror practicing and auto suggestion. So I would like to recommend this training course to everyone, my friends, my colleagues and every young ones to take this course and improve themselves. Thank you everyone.
Hello everyone, I'm Meenakshi from Nagpur, Maharashtra. I'm MTech MBA from Nagpur University and have 5 years of experience in HR department. This transformation training program has created a positive impact not only on my personal life but on my professional life too, which has helped me to build my self-confidence, art of building rapport with others, communication skills, effective listening skills, and clear vision too. It helped me to believe in myself. Before joining the program, I was focusing on my goals, but nothing was planned. It was not clear. There was a fear in me to fall down while moving forward. I never got a chance to love myself and always kept myself in a comfort zone. Now I think I have come out from comfort zone to growth zone. I have a powerful energy and positive attitude with capability and ability to change the life. My message to the friends and new joiners is that this is the best transformation training program and best trainers too. Friends, if you get the opportunity to join it, then don't waste, just grab it and you will find real you within. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Basavaraj. I am from Koppal. I have 2 years experience in teaching field from 2018 to now till date. Firstly, I would like to thankful to EdTech team for organizing this Train the Trainer program. Before attending this program, I was not much confident person, and also while talking in English, I used to struggle more. After this program, I have learned many things like communication skills, effective listening skills, thinking in positive way, forgiveness, loving ourselves. Really, I had wonderful journey in my training. Dear friends, if you are facing same problem, please join this program because day by day I improved a lot myself. Please join this program and make you more capable. Thank you, Shashikant sir, for wonderful teaching. Thank you, Murali sir, and thank you, Chandana ma'am. Thank you all EdTech team for organizing this wonderful program. Thanks a lot.